Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So Home Depot special buy of the day is going to be power tools. So I know you guys like to see what deals are going on for power tools and hand tools. So let's go ahead and jump into see what Home Depot has to offer today. So first up we got Dewalt 6-tool combo kit. Now this is a pretty nice kit by Dewalt. As you guys can see, you actually get 6 tools. You get the impact, you get the drill, circular saw, multi-tool angle grinder, you get the sander, a couple batteries, and then they throw in the nice tough system rolling case there. No lights with this one, which I like to see. No work lights as an added tool. So you actually get 6 tools with this one. $500. Not a bad pickup there for you Dewalt guys. Got a huge combo kit here for Ryobi. They got the 12 tool combo kit. This is going to be perfect for you guys that are just DIYers doing some projects on the weekend. These are all Ryobi 1 Plus, not the HP, but still they'll get the job done if you guys are just using this light duty work, doing some projects around the house. Here is what I was talking about. They threw a light in, so you're actually getting 11 tools. You get 2 4-amp hour batteries though, that's nice, and then a 1.5 amp hour battery. Get a couple bags. I actually have one of these bags that lasts me a lot of years, so their bags aren't too bad. $700 for this one. Not a bad pickup for 11 tools and then 1 light. They also throw in 7.25-inch miter saw, which isn't too bad. So not a bad pickup here either. Got another DeWalt combo kit here. So this is the 10 tool combo kit, and this is got a light in it. And it looks like it's got a Bluetooth radio they threw in. So they got a few items in here that I probably wouldn't want. They got the light, Bluetooth speaker, the blower, the mini blower. So yeah, I'd probably pass on this, especially for $950. Not a good deal in my opinion. Next up we got some Milwaukee mechanic tool set, 30 piece. I'm kind of curious. Let me know in the comment section below, you guys that are mechanics, you guys buy the Milwaukee wrenches and sockets? Because I actually think a lot of mechanics would just go ahead, and if they're going to pay a premium, they're going to go with Snap-on or Matco. So they got this coming in at $179. Let me know in the comment section below how many of you guys actually use the Milwaukee hand tools. I know everybody loves their power tools, pack out systems and stuff. Haven't heard much about the hand tools. Got rigid 3-tool combo kit. LED light set here for $150. And then we got some Milwaukee setups here. So Milwaukee M18 fuel, 2-tool combo. And then they're throwing in the 8-amp hour battery. So in case you guys didn't know, right now Home Depot in stores and online's got a bunch of BOGO deals going on for Milwaukee. I'm going to be posting a video tomorrow on the in-store deals. You can find them online also, but they got tons of BOGO deals going on for Milwaukee for their M18, M12, and then also I'm going to have tons of clearance finds that I found at my local Home Depot. So I'll be posting that one tomorrow. And then I already posted a video yesterday on a bunch of Lowe's deals that they got a sale going on, and then also a bunch of clearance finds at Lowe's. I'll post that one at the end of this video. So if you guys are interested, click on that Lowe's video after this video. And then if you guys are interested in the Home Depot video I'll be posting tomorrow, make sure you're subscribed so you guys get the notification for that video. Here's another one of those BOGO deals that they got going on currently. So this is a pretty nice setup here. The 2-tool combo kit for M12. And then they throw in the 3/8-inch ratchet. Get a couple batteries. $229 for that. Not a bad pickup. They got the SDS down here with the angle grinder. Couple more 2-tool combo kits. Drill, impact driver. Couple batteries. I think this is actually might be part of a buy one get one they got going on too, if I remember correctly. $239 for that. Couple more combos. Here is, I do know that this is a buy one get one going on right now. So M12 stapler, and then you get the 2-pack of the staples for, so it's a total of 1,200 staples. $229. Like I said, that is a buy one, get one going on right now, so it's not just for this deal of the day. Got the circular saw and the nailer here, $800. Two different versions I think they got going on. So this is the 21 degree nailer, and then they got the 30 degree nailer. $779 for the 30 degree with the rear handle, and then $799 for the 21 degree and the rear handle. So two different setups there. Here's the Shockwave Impact socket set, $249. Comes with the pack out. Like I said, let me know in the comment section below how many of you guys actually use these Milwaukee sockets and mechanic tools, the wrenches and stuff. Just kind of curious. I personally don't know any mechanics that actually use the Milwaukee. Like I said, if they're going to use a premium tool, they're going with Matco, Snap-on, something like that. A couple more sets here by Milwaukee. Here's the 1/2-inch drive ratchet and socket set with the pack out case, $229 for that one. Here's the fastback folding knife with some of the blades, about $18 for that. We got the locking pliers, 5-piece for $50. We got the Milwaukee level, $219 for that one. And we jump into some rigid tools. So here is the 4-tool combo kit by Rigid, $249 for this one. Nice little pickup here. You get the circular saw, drill, impact, and the recip. A couple batteries, the 4 amp and the 2 amp hour battery. Nice little carry bag. And then they got the 8-tool combo kit for $579. Got some Ryobi 2-tool combos here. So they got the 18 gauge brad nailer, jigsaw for $208. Both of these are 1+. And then we got the stapler with the 18 gauge brad nailer for $218. Same setup with the random orbit sander for pretty much $200. Then they got the multi-tool for $218 with the nailer. And then they got the multi-tool with the sander for $138. All right, so next up we got the Milwaukee Fuel M18 angle grinder. This is going to come with a 5 amp hour battery. $200 for this one. You got the Rigid 10-inch table saw. No stand with this one, $280. Then here for $178, we got the Ryobi planer. It's coming with the 4 amp and the 2 amp hour battery charger. We got the M12 fuel ratchet. This is another BOGO deal that they got going on. So if you pick up the 2-pack starter kit for $199, these are 2 5 amp hour batteries. You got a bunch of tools to choose from, and one of them is the ratchet. I was actually eyeballing this one when I was at the store because my regular ratchet, my 3/8-inch ratchet, was actually kind of dying out on me. So I was thinking about stepping it up to the fuel version. So $200 for the starter kit, and then you get a free tool. And they got a bunch of different tools to choose from. Like I said, if you guys are interested in that video, make sure you stay tuned. I'll be posting that one tomorrow. Here's the M18 fuel recip, 5 amp hour battery, $200. They got the circular saw with the 5 amp hour battery for $200. 3-inch cutoff saw, another BOGO deal here that they got going on for $200. And then here is the sander with the 2 amp hour battery for $130. Bunch of fuel wrenches here. So we got the fuel 1/2-inch impact wrench, 5 amp hour battery, $300. We got the fuel mid-torque 1/2-inch, 5 amp hour battery for $250. And then we got the 3/4-inch impact. And this is also got, is that the 5 amp hour battery? Yep, 5 amp hour battery for $350. All fuel tools. And then all the way to the right here, we got the M18 2 tools. So you get 2 of the 2-gallon compressors, $650. And you got the compressor down here with the 5 amp hour battery for $450. Multi-tool with the 2 amp hour battery for $130. This is just a standard M18, not a fuel. And then here is the M12 fuel multi-tool kit. And then 2-pack 5 amp hour batteries. Pretty sure this is another BOGO deal that they got going on. $200 for that. And then all the way to the right, they got the drywall cutout rotary tool, 2 amp hour battery for $129. Next up, they got the M18 DA polisher, 5 amp hour battery, $329. The bandsaw for $329. Now, in my video I'll be posting tomorrow, I found a really good deal on a compact bandsaw by Rigid, clearanced out at my Home Depot. So if you guys are interested, like I said, you're going to want to see that video. Really good clearance price on this Rigid bandsaw. Here's a Ryobi ratchet, 3/8" ratchet, $158 for this. Comes with a couple batteries, and then the multi-tool, same price with a couple batteries. Got the recip, same price, and then we got $10 cheaper on the jigsaw, $148 for that one. Got the impact, $178, and then we got the angle grinder for $138. Jump into some Rigid stuff. Here we got the 4-mode 1/2" high torque impact wrench. You're getting 2 of the 4 amp hour batteries and charger, $250 for that one. And let me see what says high torque, what they're talking about for high torque. 13 foot-pounds of breakaway torque on this one, so not bad. Got the recip kit, $199, so $200. And then they got the circular saw kit, $200. One-handed recip. This is the fuel, Milwaukee fuel, M18 with the 5 amp hour battery for $170. Got some batteries for Ryobi, $80. The Rigid 4-gallon wet and dry vac, $85. And then it looks like we got some Milwaukee pack out stuff going on. Got the hole saw kit for $160. Some Rigid batteries. Got the Rigid 3-gallon wet and dry vac for $95. 16-gallon for $140. Got the 9-gallon for $77. Got the blade kit for the multi-tool, 14-piece for $55. Some more batteries. This one's going to have 175-watt inverter. These are pretty nice to have if you guys got a lot of batteries, whether it's Milwaukee, Rigid, Dewalt, to get these power inverters. These come running really handy, especially if you got a power outage or if you are on the road and you need to charge some stuff. Another hole saw set, 20-piece, $130. Got the M12 3-pack, 5 amp hour batteries for $200. 6-port rapid charger with the 5 amp hour battery for $250. Let's see what else they got. Some more pack out stuff. Got some recip blades, $40. Got some Dewalt blades, diamond cutting blade, 9-inch, $78. Spade bit, $19. And that looks like it's about it, guys. So I just do a quick run through of the special buy of the day for you guys. Like I said, though, a lot of these are BOGO deals that are going on currently right now with their current sale. So it's not going to be for this day only. I will be posting that video tomorrow morning of all the sales they got going on in the stores and online, plus tons of clearance deals that I found at my Home Depot. So if you guys are interested, make sure you stick around for that one. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. At the end of this video, you'll see the little icon for the Lowe's video that I just posted yesterday. Tons of deals going on there too. So if you guys are interested, click on that video. Check it out, guys. Hopefully you found value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.